All right, I'm filming this video at midnight, the 28th day of May 2026, so I can say good morning. All right, let's see this trending video of a bus driver, a Yoruba man in Lagos, who was cursing Tinubu, cursing Akpabio, saying all sort of things. In fact, what he said is not what I can be repeating myself. And after that, let me remind you of something. Just take a listen to this video.
If you be shifted, you're very useless. If you're in Nigeria, you are useless. I swear. How can you be buying fuel for 1,320 and you dey happy? Only you dey auto then sing you about to Jobalo. About to Jobalo ni Tinubu to ti pa yin tán. Ọlọ́run yín dà, èṣù yín dà. It's not better you serve the Satan that you are accusing. All of you go commit fornication. Una go dey sleep with una sef. Una go say na Satan. Wetin Satan do you? Una never ready for anybody in this country. This country, until you fight, you will never have your freedom. Freedom is very precious. Look at Boko Haram. It's in Oyo State. From Kwara to Oyo State. Oyo State to Lagos. He go reach all of you. I swear, as they behead that man head, now so they go behead Tinubu head one day. They go behead him Papa in. No, you don't even know him Papa. They go behead him in son head. You look at me, I'm not afraid. Look at me properly. Very useless country. They look at me. They go behead the head of Sheyi Tinubu. They go behead the head of Olulemi Tinubu. They go behead the head of Pastor Adebole. They go behead all of them. They go behead the head of Pastor Tunde Bakare. Because Pastor Tunde Bakare reached Jonathan death in 2014 when Jonathan want to increase fuel to 121. Pastor Tunde Bakare said Jonathan must die. If you don't kill corruption, corruption will kill us. What are we doing now? Corruption is doing you what? Corruption has buried you. You are all stupid in this country for allowing a drug addict, a certificate forger. A certificate forger is your president, and you claim you go to school. Your schools are useless. If you go to any Nigerian school, you didn't go to any school. You are an educated illiterate. That's all of you are. Educated illiterate. All of you. A certificate forger. An identity thief. Bola Tinubu is not his name. His name is Amoda. He doesn't have ancestry in Nigeria. He's from Gambia, Senegambia. That's where he's from. When he came to your country, he bought all the institutions. He bought Adebole. He bought Kumuyi. He bought Tunde Bakare. He bought Wole Soyinka, that graduate professor. He bought all the elders. Tinubu made us to know who is now the real people with conscience. Nigerians have nobody with conscience. If you are praying, no God answer you, because the prayer of a sinner is abomination to that God. Even that God is abominable for watching his children to be slaughtered. Where is God? You are calling every day and he can't save you. Where is God? Show us that God. You always show us that God. If a God can wait, he's not aware of his people dying every day, and you are praying to that God, are you deceiving yourself? You have 4 refineries, none of them is working. Some of you tell me now I should go to Aso Rock and go and talk this to Tinubu. If I get to Aso Rock, me, I go personally fight Tinubu. That's why it's already dead. Look at the dead man ruling Nigeria. All of you, are you not living cough? All of us, are we not living dead? Mohbad was spy in 2022 or 2023. 3 years after, no justice for Mohbad. The stinking boy is rotting in mortuary, and you are here telling me that you bought fuel for 1,320. Shame on you for buying it. Anybody buying fuel for 1,320? Shame on you. You are a slave. Your father is a slave. Your mother is a slave. All of you are slaves, and you will die in slavery if you don't kill Tinubu, if you don't kill Akpabio, if you don't kill Tadudindisu, if you don't kill all these stupid governors. You will never have freedom. Look at what's going on in your state right now. It's your greed.
All right. So a lot of people are reacting differently. I have already seen this video on 3 places, 3 platforms. I saw it in Isaac Fayoshe and 2 other persons who have reposted this video. And you know what I normally do? If I see many comments, if I see many engagements from your video, I will summarize the video to know what people are thinking about the video. So it is scary, and also something that is very important for you to know, that Nigerians endorse this message. Yeah, Nigerians endorse it. About 40% from the comments on this video on social media are saying that This is just a sign of what to come. That the politicians should get ready of what to come. That what this man is saying is true. That it's only fight that can save the people. And a lot of people are saying this man is correct. This man is correct. Other people are saying amen to it. They are endorsing it. So it shows the tension in the country. It shows that the lies they have been telling you about Nigeria progressing, Nigeria is succeeding, Nigeria is growing, all of them are totally lies. You understand? So it is important most of the time when you are trying to talk about what you don't know, also try to check the public opinion. Because what is actually affecting you might not affect the majority of the people. For example, if you have your illegal plug to the federal government where you have money, maybe because you are doing bunkering business or you have oil well, you have a brother who have oil well, you are connected to either a custom boss, there is a place you are getting your money, or your brother is a politician, a senator, local government chairman. So you might not even feel what others are feeling. Why? Because you are currently enjoying illicit money. You're enjoying something that is just temporal, and after you start crying. Do you know how many people have been in power who are still crying today? The truth is that everything we are running from is coming to haunt us. Everything you have been lying about yourself. See, the greatest lie you can lie is lying to yourself. We have been lying to ourselves. We have been living on falsehood. Like what you see that this thing will not work, this thing is not true. But because of your greediness, I call it, you have political interest. You think this politician, your life depends on him. Your life depends on a politician, that without this politician, you can't do anything. You put your head on it. You continue to lie. You continue to do everything you... See, let me tell you. You see, this issue of insecurity, I have never seen any government, either state, local government, anybody who is ready to solve this insecurity situation. You see, I want you to mark it somewhere. This is not a wish, it is a reality. From Borno State to Lagos State, down to Bayelsa, a lot of things is going to happen. Before this election, you are thinking 2027 will come. Ask me how. I know about this because I study trends and I have access to informations. I study trends and I have access to informations. You see, these terrorists, they are everywhere. Now, I am not basically saying that whenever you see people or foreigners in a particular place, that amount to terrorism. No, that doesn't amount to terrorism. But I want to let you know that the infiltration of terrorism that have taken place in Nigeria is beyond what you know. I want to let you know that so many states that you don't know that these people have infiltrated. So many states, they are there because they have not started attacking. A lot of you are thinking that, oh, they are not there. Oh, our place is safe. There is no place that is safe. These people are everywhere. They have not started attacking you does not mean that they are not there. Let me tell you, you see, I'm just laughing about people who are preparing for, only hope as 2027. People who are putting 2027 as their only hope. I am laughing at you. And at the same time, I am crying for you. You see, you will be disappointed. You don't know what these politicians have in stock for you. You don't know the kind of plans they have for you. If you will only understand what they are using your money to do, the kind of evil stuff they are using your money to do. I give you an example. Tinubu removed fuel subsidy. You know how many trillions they are making from your sweat by increasing the price of fuel. You know how much they are making. Now, immediately he removed the fuel subsidy, increase the PM price, you see that this man started borrowing. What is the essence of removing the thing? So poverty, what is he using this money to do? And when this thing was going on, terrorism increased. What is he using the money to do? And amidst all this thing, El-Rufai, so many of them who are his colleagues, they are the same. They are accusing him of funding terrorism. They are accusing him of paying bandits. Shegumi is afraid now, denying the fact that he's not supporting terrorism. This is a man who said Boko Haram is a blessing to northern Muslims. This is a man who says that terrorists are not going anywhere, that they are people. He's now running from head to post. He's afraid of death. Oh God. This is a man who said that he used to go with DSS, police, army. This is a man to see the bandits, to see the terrorists. This is a man who said that Tinubu knows the location, the number, and the name of the whole terrorist. Which kind of game do these people want to play? So what I'm trying to say is that we don't know Well, I will not say we don't know because I know what is coming. There is nothing that will surprise me again in Nigeria. Yeah, there is nothing. Even till the day these terrorists will declare war in everywhere, there is nothing that will surprise me. Now, the last thing I'm going to tell you here, I want you to see this video. You see this video you are seeing? This is my federal constituency. This is Agbo. This is a federal constituency. During the Sunday prayer, these people block the road. Now, you know, I don't have issues. If you have been following me, I don't have issues with anybody. I don't have the issue whether you're a Christian or a Muslim or this or that. But I have problem with one thing. Once you are using your religion or something against other people, that is what I don't want. So, looking at what they are doing in this video, you see they block the whole road, shut down the whole city. They shut down the whole city. Now, let me tell you how terrorism starts. As you have seen these people, at least I have been to their quarter, the place they call Hausa quarter. You know, I did a lot of investigation there the last time I went there. And I see that even the places they are living is not habitable. You will see how they build all those. They will not just go into town and rent houses. They will build huts just to stay. Now, if a terrorist come, if they carry bomb, they carry everything into Agbo, as they are planning. I don't know. I mean, the terrorists are planning. If they mix with these people in their house, they are not living with people. They don't live with people. They will not come and hire house with you. They have their own. They will go and build house. Even the place they will be doing everything. You yourself cannot breathe there, but they will be living there. If terrorists come and join them, you will not know. If attack happen and they go back there, you will not know. So what I'm trying to say is that Nigeria is in a journey of no return. Don't let anybody to deceive you. And don't come out here to say I'm not patriotic. No, don't talk that nonsense. If patriotism is sponsoring terrorism, I don't want to be patriotic. If patriotism is looting the resources of people, I don't want to be patriotic. If patriotism is killing your people, suffering your people, denying them of their human right, hey, I don't want to be patriotic. Take your patriotism to hell. To hell with your patriotism. I don't want to be patriotic. If that is your definition of patriotic, tell me one politician who is patriotic in Nigeria, and I will tell you their stories. Tell me, do you know the meaning of patriotism? You don't like yourself? Talk less of don't like a place you call your nation. Do you know the meaning of a country? Haven't you been to other countries? So, well, this video just explains, the tension in Nigeria. This video explains the tension in Nigeria, and people may not understand it till that very day come.